Hello, welcome to Math. In this class, I want to find the value of m from this beautiful equation. M multiplied by 27 raised to power m is equal to 1. Solution. M multiplied by 27 raised to power m is equal to 1. Let's divide both sides of this equation by m. M multiplied by 27 raised to power m is equal to 1 over m. This is over m. This will cancel this. 27 raised to power m is equal to 1 over m. Then let's multiply the exponent of both sides by 1 over m. 27 raised to power m to the power of 1 over m is equal to 1 over m to the power of 1 over m. Let 1 over m is equal to s, and if you have a raised to power n to the power of m is equal to a raised to power n. From here we have 27 raised to power m over m is equal to s raised to power x. This will cancel this. 27 is equal to s raised to power x. Then 27 is 3 raised to power 3 is equal to s raised to power x. And from here, the base is equal to s and the exponent is equal to s. Therefore, s is equal to 3. But s is equal to 1 over m. Then 1 over m is equal to 3. We are looking for the value of m. Let's multiply both sides of this equation by m. 1 over m multiplied by m is equal to 3 multiplied by m. This will cancel this. 1 is equal to 3m divided by 3 divided by 3. This will cancel this. M is equal to 1 over 3. This is the final answer. Before you leave, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.